Digital forensics involves using specialized techniques to collect, authenticate, and analyze electronic data for use as evidence in court. It's a relatively new discipline that's forced courts to develop standards for admitting new kinds of evidence. In United States v. Ganier, the government and the defendant disagreed over whether a witness who could read and interpret computer data was necessarily an expert. Albert Ganier III was the Chief Executive Officer, Board Chair, and Founder of Education Networks of America, Incorporated, or ENA. In August of 2002, a federal task force began to investigate contracts between ENA and the state of Tennessee, as well as ENA's solicitation of additional contracts from Tennessee and Texas officials. A grand jury began a further investigation in September of 2002 and issued several subpoenas in connection with that investigation. In December of 2002, Ganier allegedly tried to institute a so-called email retention policy at ENA, under which employee emails would be deleted after 6 months. Ganier also allegedly deleted files relevant to the grand jury's investigation from his laptop, his desktop, and an ENA employee's computer. Ganier was indicted for obstructing justice and altering, destroying, or concealing documents to impede a federal investigation. The government's forensic computer specialist, Special Agent Wallace Drueck of the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, used forensic software to see what searches had been run on the 3 computers in question. The day before the trial date, Drueck analyzed reports created by the forensic software and concluded that searches had been run in December of 2002 using search terms relevant to the grand jury investigation and the allegedly deleted files. The reports displayed a heading, a string of words and symbols, dates and times, and a list of words. On the day the trial was to begin, Ganier filed a motion to exclude Drueck's reports and testimony, arguing that Drueck's testimony was expert testimony and that the government had failed to provide Ganier with a written summary of it, in violation of the Federal Rules of Criminal Procedure. The district court granted Ganier's motion, and the government appealed to the Sixth Circuit. The district court stayed the trial pending appeal.